Me no know about league, cause we in a World Cup. And no for them no like how we hotter than thermos. Me see, they don't like. Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, are we still a win? Them girls keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? You know what say a worldwide thing.
Funny roll, look funny roll. Go on.
Steady. Go on now. Video in B. Video. Where the fuck am I?
Watch them, we run out fire now. Watch them, man. You teach me, I teach him for the bike. Me tired. See, start there. Balance. One. Where you stop for? That's why you have to balance the bike. Like if you go over there, say you're turning. Remember, say you can't turn, you know. Take time. Brakes. Wait, wait. You want to come on the back? Oh, wait, turn off your bike. And that's how you're moving. Wait, right, go on now.
Let me not go in the bush. Yeah, go to.
Listen.
Right.
Look how your bike set. You see your front set too, so. So when you start it, are you actually stiffen up on the bike? You know? Alright. Start the bike, I'll stop. You rev too hard.
You can't hold in the hand, maybe.
Alright. Yeah. Once I hear that you start, you turn off back on your door. You say you only wait. Just simply put your hand over it, so you're not ready for your vehicle. So. Alright. Go on.
Oh, God, it stop.
So start it back again.
You feel like here?
No, you're on. Take that. Take. You can't go say no. Remember, so me tell you.
Okay.
Yes, don't go no faster. Just go on like that. Oh, you want to move hard, and that's why I'm coming in front of you. Come, but the bug speed out. Don't put up your foot if you can. Put up your foot. You just say yes, manage your bike. Yeah, manage it. Put up your foot. Yeah!
Don't gas it too much, right? Listen now. Don't gas the bike too much, right? Get a little gas, stop, look on the bike and look on the road.
Okay.
Right. Just look on the road there, not much gas, keep going on it.
Right.
Put up your
You still want me for tire? I'm in front of you? You want me in front of you? Alright, go on. When you see when you start balance the bike, you put up your foot them.
On the road you must look.
And that's my look. Look where you go.
I do too much gas.
Are you over turn it?
Remember, so you can't turn in a Tabia. Go on again. Yeah. Alright, let me go in front of you. So anywhere me go, you go. Go on. Go on. You're going different road. I want to go back. Only phone. Down, down, down. What? Look on the road. Look where you go. Only gas, only brake. Alright, look. This a rail, remember. This a brake.
Right.
And this a brake.
So me look off at this one, me want break.
Yeah, you can rev and brake same time. Look for the road, yeah. Look for the bike. I bike, yeah. Look for the other. Yeah, look off it brake. As in not go move. Go on now. Take time. Look for the road. If you are going a bush, you turn out. That's it. I'm footing. Eh? Yep. Start the bike. But then I hear no noise, I'm moving it off. Just ride and look in front of you. Ride the bike. Rev, yeah. Put up your foot now. Alright, professional. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Alright, at least you're ready. Big up yourself, mama. You're gonna drop your bike. And a side turn. You have to turn it on. Different. We are going for a different road now. Go look on the road where you go.
Every day, papi gone bigger. Man, I real ghetto idol. This thing is. Everybody can see it. Say me, I overdo it, overdo it. Oh yeah. Hey, y'all be safe, I make you clean so. Y'all be safe.